TikTok has finally given us a watch history feature. I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to view your watch history on TikTok. Now let's get started. To view your watch history on TikTok, first make sure you've updated your TikTok app to the newest version. Then open TikTok and go to your profile. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Watch History. You'll then be taken to a page full of the videos you've watched over the last 7 days. The videos at the top are the ones you've watched most recently. If you tap the Settings icon in the top right corner, you'll see options to disable watch history if you like, as well as an option to clear your watch history. That's all it takes to view your watch history on TikTok. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.